Welcome back to Mathsquare. This is the Part 2 tutorial on percentage. You can watch the Part 1 tutorial by clicking on the I button. In this tutorial, we will discuss few other rules of percentage that can be applied directly on certain percentage-related problems. Watch this video till the end to learn all the methods. If X% of a quantity is taken by the first, and Y% of the remaining is taken by the second person. Now, if A is left in hand, then the quantity at the beginning is given by A into 100 into 100, by 100 minus X, into 100 minus Y. Alternatively, if X% of a quantity is added by the first, and Y% is added by the second person to the increased quantity. Now, if the total quantity becomes A, then the quantity at the beginning is given by A into 100 into 100, by 100 plus X, into 100 plus Y. Let's be more clear, by solving examples. A person withdrew 10% from his savings account in the first week, and in the next week, he withdrew 20% from the remaining balance. If Rs 4,320 left in his savings account, what was the total deposit in his savings account before the transactions? Since it involves reduction of two consecutive percentages, so we can relate case 1 of the above rule. Here, A equals to 4320, X equals to 10, and Y equals to 20. So, according to the above rule, the total deposit in the savings account before the transactions is given by 4320 into 100 by 100 minus 10 into 100 minus 20. On further simplification, we get 6,000. So, the initial deposit in the savings account was 6,000 rupees. Now, solve this problem yourself by using case 2 of this rule. Hope you understand both the cases of Rule 1. Let's proceed to the next rule. If the original population of a town is P, and the annual increase of population B, R%, then the population of the town, in n years will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. Alternatively, if the decrease of population B, R%, then the population of the town, in n years, will be P into 1 minus R by 100 to the power of n. Let's be more clear by solving a problem. If the current population of a town is 45,600, and the annual increase of population be 5%, then, what will be the number of population of the town in 2 years? Since, here the population is increasing annually, so the case 1 of the above rule can be applied here. So, according to the rule, the population in 2 years will be 45,600 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power of 2. On further simplification, we get the answer as 50,274. Similarly, we can apply the case 2 of the above rule, when the given population decreases annually. Now let's proceed to the next rule. If the price of a commodity increases by R%, then the reduction in consumption, so as not to increase the expenditure, is R by 100 plus R into 100%. Alternatively, if the price of a commodity decreases by R%, then the increase in consumption, so as not to decrease the expenditure, is R by 100 minus R into 100%. Let's try to understand this by an example. If the price of rice increases by 20%, then by what percent the consumption should be reduced, so as not to increase the expenditure? Since, here the price of commodity is increasing, so we will use the case 1 of the above rule to solve this problem. Here, R equals to 20, so the required percentage of reduction of consumption is given by 20 by 100 plus 20, into 100%. On further simplification, we get the required percentage as 16.67. Similarly, we can use the case 2, when the price of the commodity decreases by certain percentage. For now, hope you understand this method. In the next video on percentage, we will discuss some problems on percentage. Stay tuned till then.